He does not have a role at this time.
Anthony Scaramucci is off the job after just 11 days. Chris Galdieri, professor of politics at St. Anselm College, says this raises the question of what role General John Kelly will play as chief of staff.
When I look at this, I want to know how much authority does Kelly really have in terms of controlling access to Trump and in terms of changing Trump's habits.
In his short time with the administration, Scaramucci had been a source of controversy. Galdieri questions if his abrupt departure will have a long-term effect.
Is this going to resonate beyond Scaramucci? Or other people in the White House going to change the way that they're behaving, the way they're interacting with the public, the way they're interacting with each other? Or is this just sort of like a big kickoff to a new sheriff being in town?
The White House put out a statement today saying Scaramucci had resigned.
I think Anthony wants General Kelly to be able to operate fully with a clean slate, build his own team, while at the same time the president felt his comments were inappropriate. Those two things aren't mutually exclusive.
The administration has seen tremendous turnover in staff in its first 6 months. Galdieri says he wouldn't call it unprecedented, but it is rare.
I don't know that in living memory we've seen one that's had this difficult a time finding its footing and getting things done.
Galdieri says these staffing distractions could prove to be a problem for the administration, as the first 6 months is when they can make the most policy changes before the opposition gets organized. Live in studio, Siobhan Lopez, WMUR News 9.